As you see here, this is the two lines for 80 plus 35 extrusion lines. It's it takes us about 2 or 3 days to install the machines by 6 engineers. As we saw, engineers working here. And then this is water tank, and this is capacity, and then this is meter count, and here is this is accumulate guide wells. As we say here, this is water tank. Our engineer to adjustable the height of the water tank. It will be ensure 1% ensure the accurate. And here is our PLC control box systems. And you can see it's Hoover's brands here. You can see this is Siemens. This is Siemens. This is Siemens PLC control system. This is active water tank. This is injection machine. And here is crosshead. And then straightening machine. And this is wire guide in the straightening machine. This is powder machine. And this is take up. This is payoff. Magical powder payoff. And here we move to the first line to cross wire, as we saw here. From here is payoff and the straightening machine, and the straightening machine number 1, straightening machine number 2, and the crosshead and the PLC control system. And here is active water tank. And here you can see everything is here standby. Tomorrow we will continue what we're doing, and then you will say